Hi, friends. Today, I want to share with you a funny and inspirational story that happened to me on my birthday. So, it was my birthday, and my mom decided to celebrate it by giving me a bunch of colorful balloons. I was so excited and happy to receive them. I played with them all day and even took them to bed with me that night. But the next morning, I woke up to a surprise. All the balloons had deflated and were lying on the floor. I felt sad and disappointed that my birthday fun was over so soon. But then, my mom came into the room and saw my sad face. She asked me what was wrong, and I told her about the deflated balloons. She then said something that I will never forget. She said, "Life is like a balloon. It may deflate sometimes, but you can always blow it up again and make it even better than before." I was confused at first, but then she explained that just like balloons, we may face setbacks in life, but we should never give up. We should always try to bounce back stronger and better than before. That message really stuck with me, and I realized that my mom was right. Life is full of ups and downs, but it's important to keep going and never lose hope. So, viewers, if you ever feel like giving up or facing a setback, just remember that life is like a balloon. You can always blow it up again and make it even better than before. I hope this story inspires you to never give up and always keep trying. Thanks for watching.